What's up and welcome back to the video. So as you can see, the bikes are warming up here. The KDX, the Moto Pro 300 Pro Am. We at the Bronx. We were at Heidelberg last week to do the time trial, but the footage was not usable. Camera angles, and we struggled with the bikes a bit, but we ran some decent times. I think the total moving time was like 40 minutes, but the total time was like 1 hour and something. Let me just shut off these bikes quickly. Okay, she's warmed up. KDX is a bit smoky. Alright, good to go. So, as I mentioned, yeah, we ran some decent times in the time trial. Had a lot of issues on the trails, but today we are here at the Bronx. We are going to be mapping out the trails on Strava, and then hopefully we are going to be cutting some new trails today, some fresh virgin trail footage for you guys today. Can't wait for the new Flatout racing gear coming soon. I think you guys can put in your pre-orders at the moment. Matt's got some sick combos for you guys, so check that out, and yeah, enjoy the video. So supposedly a hippo has been spotted here at the Bronx. It's probably long gone by now since we're making noise with the bikes, but we thought let's try and see if we can spot the big boy. Oh my god. Doing some cornering drills. I'm trying to stand as much as I can. My voorwiel daar dip, I wil my voet afkom. Let's do a quick step up ski here. That went about as well as expected. Hey, someone lost their two-stroke. Kind of sad, but anyway.
Let's see what feels like here. Do that like 3 or 4 times. Then we'll do the next section, go on.
Okay.
Okay.
Ek sal jou volg op 'n sexy bike.
Like that out of water say wheelie.
Oh yeah. It's the only time the bike can wheelie. Whoa. New trail, or trying to work in some new lines for the cross country loop. wind uitgeval. Dude, dat was so fucking sick. Sê my asseblief hierdie ding record.
Ja.
Yes! Ah! Hierdie gras is fucking slippery nou hoor.
Yes, it's very now. I'm having so much fun fucking drifting this thing. Little bit more. Fuck you. Yes.
Ja, toe.
That one that's well ridden up.
Yeah.
I've got my foot in my spokes now. As you go around, kick to get the bike back up, and it goes.
Yes, this shit's a lot of fun.
Yeah, that's a dangerously fun force section. Okay, so the next section has got a little jump and some whoops. Dude, ek sê dit is van los die bike, is jy right? Is jy okay? Okay, so after that spectacular crash by Zane, we decided to maybe tone it down a bit. Well, probably not, but we're back on the old section of trail. So this used to be a crazy forest section. As you can see, the blue gum trees are coming up again. Yeah, they deforested this whole area illegally, I suppose, and there was a fire, so now we're just kind of clearing the trail, kind of trying to make the best out of a bad spot, and we are the best out of a bad situation, and we are using the burnt sticks as trail markers, because why not, huh? Anyways, we're gonna walk it through, clear the section, and yeah, then we'll rip it through. fuel because we've been smashing it flat taps all the way. So now we're basically just checking out, scouting the last old section for the before the copy, and this will clean up next time. One of my favorite berms. Lots of logs, but they'll probably come and retrieve the logs eventually. So like those other logs that are there, it's pretty sick to ride over them. Gives the trail some nice elements, but they're not going to be there for long. Alright, so it's the next day and we've just got done voting. We've got the Moto Pro cleaned up and loaded up. What an awesome ride yesterday. Zane took some spills, fortunately did not get hurt, and I think the new track's going to be awesome. We're going to go out there and scrape the whole track, and it's going to be some fun riding, good practice over December for 2022's racing season. But yeah, I've got the Moto Pro loaded up and I'm actually heading through to Moto Pro's shop now to drop the bike off, to load up some other bikes, because we are doing some prep for the launch. Going to catch some riding footage, and the launch is going to be on the 6th of November at Aurora motocross track. So if you guys are interested, please pull through next weekend and come support the Moto Pro launch. And there's going to be an official video out the same day as this video. Yeah, looking forward to seeing what you guys think about the new Moto Pro models. As I mentioned, come through and support it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider hitting subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate the support, and the channel is on an upward trend. I would like to see if I can get it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and that would be a good basis for all the stuff that we're going to do next year. There's loads of giveaways coming, and potentially a giveaway bike build. So that's if we get to 1,000 and if some things fall into place. But at the end of the year, I'll make a video with the plans for 2022 and we'll discuss it some more in that video. For now, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Peace out and keep ripping.